Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So today we caught the perfect reversal and we caught the put buyers in the morning at the top, and then like the put buyers were active at 21,900 and they bought at 97, which I updated in the morning, and then that price went to like almost more than 2x. So this was the update in the morning here. That is, you can go and check the timing even. So it's at 9:36 yeah, 9:36 a.m. Okay, so 9:36 a.m. if you look at where Nifty was, so 9:32. So this is 15 minutes candle. So this was the candle. Okay, at the top, so this is 9:30 to 9:45. So 9:38 I updated. So what happened was basically they bought at 9:28. Okay, so before 9:28 they bought at almost 9:27 to 9:26 they bought at 97. I watched it and I noted it down. Okay, so I was watching what happens after that. Okay, do they like take the price further down and do averaging, or do they take it up? So I saw that they were taking it up. Okay, so I bought it at 105 and then closed it at 123. Okay, because again some reversal kind of scenario was coming up, but what was happening is some big guys, they missed the opportunity. Okay, so they were also given entry. So there were like three entry points actually. I mean, there were several entry points. Okay, so why, I'll explain. Like the first I entered here, then closed. Okay, then again price came down to 95. So where again I entered here at 80. Sorry, here. Bought at 96. Okay, again at 9:37 there was this price came to 95, bought at 96, because I knew that they were the put buyers were present at 97. Okay, so 96 was a very safe haven to buy, okay, the puts, and then bought it at 96 and closed it at 122 at 9:55. But while closing I clearly said 9:56, just check that the put buyers I have closed, because मेरे को मेरा प्रॉफिट मिल गया था, लेकिन हाँ, बट आई क्लियरली मेंशन दैट the put buyers are getting stronger at that point. So the price was then 122 around, and even I mentioned that the put buyers were getting stronger, and their signal was very very strong today. And then after that the price went to more than 196. So anyways, also the other trade was shorting calls at 21,900. So anyways, yeah, today was a fantastic day, and again this is the same Telegram channel, guys. Yesterday, the day before, the day, so again so this is the same Telegram channel, and also let's look at our money flow indicators. So if you want such analysis during the live market hours and also get access to the money flow indicators, so you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where this last month sale is going on. So that's an year-end sale. So if you want please do take the advantage of it, and again after March the prices will be back to normal. And talking about our indicators, so in the morning, as you can see, like they decreased, and also after that also their score was not decreasing further, but it stayed at the same level, and it was increasing. Like if you see the graphs, it will be very clear. So that's why like I left, and also coming to the charts, I'll explain. So here the thing is that after this the score did not fall, though Nifty was falling here, as you can see at 10:54. Score did not fall, score went up. Okay, and finally Nifty also went up. So what happens is that if you trade a lot, so the chances of going wrong will be higher. So get a perfect trade and get out. Okay, so again talking about Bank Nifty also, something similar happened here. Like you can see it, the score started increasing from this moment, like 10:20 after onwards the score started increasing, and finally Bank Nifty also shot up. Talking about on the charts, I also left here, that is we were near to our next level. We discussed this yesterday, that is if 21,840 breaks, then the next level is at 21,733. Perfectly worked out, no doubt about it. And also yesterday I also tweeted about this bullish divergence, which got completed today when there was a gap up. So I mentioned this bullish divergence yesterday. Okay, so here I mentioned somewhere. Okay, so yeah, this was the tweet yesterday, I mentioned it. So that was also completed today during the gap up. Coming to Bank Nifty, today we had Bank Nifty expiry, and again yesterday we mentioned that put side Bank Nifty is not looking weak. So now you know what happened today. So Bank Nifty fell. It like I mean it got support. I mean it respected our levels very clearly. Like as you can see, once this level broke the line of control, it came down to the straight away to the next level 45,886 and took support and went up. Okay, even if Nifty went up, as you can see, it went up and got resistance to our level 21,926, which I discussed several times last week. Okay, because it was taking several supports there last week. So this level was the one crucial level last week. It went up, took got resistance there, and finally again a little bit came down. Okay, so talking about Fin Nifty also perfectly like got resistance at 20,649, came down exactly to our next level 20,393 and went up again to the same level. Okay, so draw these levels on your charts. Like I have shown you these levels. So the blue lines, those who are new here, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. And the blue lines are the major support and resistance zone. The yellow lines are the lines of control, which I basically find out using money flow. And also let's talk about the other data points. So today FIs have sold while DIs have bought almost for the same quantity. Coming down tomorrow, we have our Thursday Nifty expiry. And also those who don't follow me on Twitter, so for such live market updates, you can follow me on Twitter as well. And now coming down to our EOD data analysis. So EOD data analysis is saying that like FIIs are shorting futures in huge quantity. Okay, so maybe more fall can come, but again FIIs का futures का कोई भरोसा नहीं है अभी. ठीक है, so they shorted last time, they had to close it at a loss. So again we should like what I am doing is currently the market scenario is like a very volatile scenario, and what I am basically doing is I'm not following technical analysis as it doesn't follow much these times. So till elections I'll only follow these catch these buyers wherever they are present, take the trade and get out and forget about what's happening in the market. Okay, so now talking about the today's or the overall March. So if you look at here, FIIs are doing straddle. So both side they are call writers and put writers for now. And talking about prop decks, they have a little bit, they have closed the majority of the put buying. So in Bank Nifty they had put buying, so they closed it, and now they are carrying little bit of put buying still. So overall they are a little bit of put buyers, so little bit of extra put buying are there, and also they are call writers overall. Okay, so majorly call writing and put buying. Okay, so option chain looks neutral to bearish, and if you look at futures, like even these prop decks also, they are not closing. So this closing is not something a huge quantity they have closed. Still the recent short positions the prop decks that they have made, they're still carrying it. Okay, so that's why like prop decks also they are still carrying their future short. So futures looking bearish, and option chain FII is neutral, prop decks bearish. That's the overall scenario. So in these type of scenarios usually sell on rise goes, and as I even told you yesterday, that is looking at the option chain, so it was almost in its oversold zone. So what happens during that is, I told you that sudden dip and then a sharp up move comes. So the dip was because to give exit to the big guys, and then the sharp up move, because while the dip is coming, what the retail traders do is then they take the trade. Okay, so if you hadn't taken the trade in the top, so if you take the trades here, so you wait a little further and then market shorts up. Okay, so that's how many of the retail traders get trapped. Anyways, so let's talk about tomorrow's Nifty. So tomorrow Nifty, if you look at the option chain, so again put side is not that looking great, but again if you look at the PCR ratio, it's 0.62, not a very good sign for the bulls. And also these heavy call writers are there, and again as I told you, like 22,000 is the main resistance zone, and then 21,900, and these are the ones who have taken a little bit of more risk, and also here you will see that some put writers are there, but again, as I told you, that put buyers are also there, and put side is not looking good. Okay, so again, if for tomorrow, I'll follow the levels and I'll try to catch these big guys if they're buying calls or puts or whatever they're doing. And yeah, if you want my analysis, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get access to the money flow indicators and also my live analysis of the put big guys positions. And yeah, so if you liked my analysis, please do share it among the other traders as well, and who need such help. And yeah, please don't forget to put a like. That will encourage me to post such analysis during the live market hours. And thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.